it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit latoyadillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to 3822 Topsfield Road here in Charlotte, North Carolina. A modern masterpiece where luxury design and livability meet in one of the city's most desirable neighborhoods, Cotswold. Now, this brand new custom built home offers over 4,300 square feet of living space, features 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car side entry garage, all situated on nearly a 1/3-acre corner lot with, guess what? No HOA. This home is listed at $2.1 million, and as soon as you step inside, you will feel the difference. You will be greeted by soaring 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, and an open concept layout that floods every room with natural light. Engineered hardwood flooring flows throughout, and the thoughtful floor plan offers not one, but 2 primary suites, perfect for multi-generational living or those long-term guests. The home features dual staircases, a dedicated home office, cozy reading nook, and 2 laundry areas for that added convenience. The show-stopping kitchen is a dream, guys. Outfitted with premium JennAir appliances, a Quartz Waterfall island, walk-in pantry with a secondary sink, and built-in wine storage. Now, this kitchen is made for entertaining. Upstairs, you will find 3 ensuite bedrooms, including a stunning secluded primary suite with vaulted ceilings and a spa-like bathroom, complete with a rain shower and designer fixtures. Enjoy seamless indoor-outdoor living with accordion-style glass doors that open to a covered rear patio, complete with an outdoor fireplace, ideal for those cozy evenings or entertaining under the stars. This home is equipped with smart thermostats, a smart tankless water heater, recessed LED lighting, and is pre-wired for speakers throughout. It's energy efficient, tech savvy, and future ready. Located just 12 minutes from Uptown Charlotte and 22 minutes from the airport, you are close to all the shopping, dining, and parks that makes this area so desirable. So, whether you're entertaining guests, hosting family, or simply looking for your forever home, 3822 Topsfield Road brings you the perfect mix of modern luxury, functional design, and unbeatable location. This is more than a home. It's your next chapter. So if you want to see this home in person or any other home in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this home. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.